Hello everyone, so Gaya Wallet has just demanded that we all connect our Telegram to continue the mining process. This mining has been on for a month now, and we've been accumulating some points that will be generated to the real Gaya tokens and listing, and it's going to be happening in this Q4. We are right on October, and any moment from now this listing is going to be happening. So if you are watching this video, you have to ensure that you do the needful. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and do what others are doing. Ensure that you stay connected and subscribe in the WhatsApp and Telegram group to stay updated on when the listing of this project is gonna be happening. All right, so if you want to join the project, go ahead and watch the previous video that I dropped. I'll be dropping the link at the description of this video. Go ahead and watch it to get more view on how to go about the mining process. So after registering, you have to, for those of you that are new, after registering, then you have to go ahead and do this task. All right, go to your reward section and do this task immediately. All right, so the first thing you're going to be doing is this. If you click on that reward section, it's going to take you right here where the mining is. If you click on there, it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on this verify now. It will demand that you insert your Telegram. All right, so you go ahead and insert your Telegram number, the number you use in creating your Telegram. Go ahead and insert it right here, okay? Because that's what they'll be using to verify if you are a real person. All right, so after inserting your number, you go ahead and click on next. Okay, they say the number is invalid. Ensure you put the number accordingly. Then you click on next. So a code has just been sent to your Telegram. Go ahead and click on this code that has been sent to your Telegram in order for you to get direct access to it. All right, just go ahead, click on it. It's going to direct you to your Telegram. You just have to go ahead and click on that confirm right there. All right, and you can see it has been accepted, which means you've given your Telegram access to the app. Okay, you're giving your Telegram access to the Gaya wallet. All right, so whenever that pop-up just shows up, go ahead and click on that pop-up, and it's going to take you, it's going to load up this. All right, then after doing that, you now go back to the app itself. You go back to the app itself, and the process is going to be connected automatically. All right, and after accepting the request on Telegram, you have to minimize and go back to the Gaya Wallet app. It's going to load up this immediately. All right, it's going to load up this, just like I see, there will be an automatic connection. So whenever it loads up this right here, just go ahead and click on this accept button right here. Okay, you click on it, you accept, you insert your authentication, then you can see Telegram linked. Now you are good to go. Your Telegram has just been linked successfully, so you can now go ahead and continue this whole mining process. Okay, you can go ahead and continue your mining process, and ensure you update this app. All right, ensure you update this app to the latest version. So if it pops up, go ahead and update it from Play Store. All right, so you click on update. So congratulations, you have just been given back your access to access the platform. All right, so you can now continue the mining process. You can click on on-chain task to do the on-chain task, and you can also continue your social task right here and keep accumulating your social task while we wait for the airdrop. All right, I've given you videos, I've made videos on how to go about this whole process, or how to go about this whole claiming. There are processes you need to follow on how to go about this. All the videos are dropped right at the description of this video. Okay, So that's how you go about this whole process. If you have any question, drop them at the comment section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay connected in our WhatsApp and Telegram group. All right. So without further ado, see you in the next video.